welcome back to my channel. It's me. Oh my, it has been a minute, hasn't it? It's been a minute since I uploaded a video. I will do a separate video telling you all about what I've been up to and where I've been, so please look out for that video. Today's video is my everyday makeup look, like basically an updated everyday makeup look, because I did one a while ago when I started my channel. I like to keep it neutral. I like to keep it quite simple. I think it works for me. If you like this look and you want to recreate it, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my family. Stay blessed. Bye. I've primed my face with Infallible Mattifying Primer by Loreal. My go-to primer right now. The foundation I'm using today is the All Day Luminous Weightless foundation by Nars. I love this. I love it. I honestly think it's one of the best foundations out there. Guys, let me know what you think if you agree with me. As usual, don't forget to blend well with your preferred applicator. In my case, I'm using a brush and going over it with a beauty blender. To stop my natural oils from peeping through, I always go over it with a little bit of a powder. Now onto the brows. I love using pencil to carve my brows. I find it much easier to use a pencil to carve my brows. I'm lacking in that department, as you can all tell.
It's hard to keep smiling when I try to set things straight. You don't even listen. I'm just getting late, like you're on a mission.
To shape the brows and neaten it up a little bit, I'm using the LA Pro Conceal in Fawn. Blend well, because you really don't want to be seeing any visible lines or sharp lines. I'm now moving on to my favorite bit. I'm highlighting under my eye, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my chin, and the cheeks area. Blend well with your preferred applicator. I'm now setting the area with Sacha buttercup. Oh, as you can tell, I use that all the time. That's my holy grail. I love that. I think it's time to give it a break, you know, just let it rest a little bit. Guys, if you know of any good setting powder, please let me know, because I need a new one. I need a change. Usually don't like to bake, but this time around I'm going to leave it on for just a little bit until my eyes are done. For my eyes today, I will be using Urban Decay Jean-Michel Basquiat eyeshadow palette in the color Not For Sale as my transition shade. This color is so beautiful and pigmented. I love the look of it. Blend very well with a brush, or in my case with my fingers, to ensure that it's looking very smooth and it has no rough edges or looking patchy. I'm using the shade Pseudonym from Urban Decay palette on the corners of my eye and on the crease to intensify and define the eye. This palette is just too gorgeous. I love all the shades in there. Just absolutely beautiful. On my eyelid, I'm applying the shade Enigma from the same palette with my fingers, making sure that it's blending in really well. I'm now sweeping up the setting powder off my face, as it's been on for almost 5 minutes now. I'm creating my wing today with Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Liner. For my lashes, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Volume Mascara. Since I have really fine lashes, this will help the false lashes have something to grip onto. Sorry about the blurriness, guys. My camera just wasn't complying at all for some weird reason. I'm trying to get my face snatched, so I'm using the color Kenya from the Nubian palette 2 to contour. I love using that eyeshadow to contour. I'm using my normal colored powder to set my contoured areas, which is the Bobbi Brown Golden Brown 9 powder. The footage of me installing the lashes is all blurry, so I couldn't use it on here, unfortunately. For that glow, I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit on the highest point of my cheek and on the bridge of my nose. Check out that glow. It is popping. And of course I have to dance a little bit because you cannot do your makeup without dancing. I'm using Morocco from the Nubian palette 2 as a blush. To seal the look, I'm using the matte velvet lipstick crayon from New Look in the colors Bloom and Royale on my lips. And to top it off, I'm using a lipstick from Rimmel number 720, I Dare You, in the center of the lip. And to give the lips a shine, I'm using the glossy lipstick from Rimmel.London. Sorry guys, I cannot remember the name because I've used it so many times that the name has rubbed off. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Love you guys. Bye.